I have 2 pieces of medium hard tofu here that I'm going to cut into cubes. A 130 grams of long beans that I'm going to cut into 1/4 inch lengths. One fresh chilli that I'm cutting diagonally into slices. Four cloves of garlic that I'm first bruising and then chopping up. And now for the sauce. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon sesame oil. We'll now mix this together with 1 tablespoon of water. Let's fry the tofu in batches. First batch going in now. Now removing the first batch from the oil. Here we have it, all the fried tofu. I've turned the stove on again at medium flame, now adding the garlic. Let's now saute the garlic until it turns fragrant. When the garlic turns fragrant, add the long beans. Let's stir fry the long beans until they are cooked. I'm adding some white pepper now. Now adding a wee bit of water to help the long beans cook. And now for some color, adding the red chilli to the long beans. Adding the fried tofu now. It's time for the stir-fry sauce to go in. Tofu and long beans stir-fry. A side dish in a meal that can be either lunch or dinner. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.